Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic DraftSight tutorial how to fill a rectangle. As example, I will draw a rectangle. You can type a rectangle, press enter, and I will click start from this point. I will click at this point to create the rectangle. Now, if you want to fill these rectangles with color, we can use hatch tools. You can type hatch, press enter, and in here you can change for the NC into solid option. You can scroll down, and then this is for the solid option. Click. Now you can click inside to apply. If you want to change the color, you can click at these icons. You can go into here and color, like we set into red color. And if you don't, you can click close. Now the rectangle will be automatically filled into red color. To edit this color, you can double click. Then you can click again at this additional option. We set into green. And then you can click close to apply. Okay, that's it for a basic DraftSight tutorial how to fill a rectangle. And if you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.